Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back here in the garage today, getting back to work on the Lark. I did a little bit of work yesterday. Um, Same old thing, just welding and welding. You can only do so many videos on it. So I got a couple more pieces installed, got them tacked in place. We'll take a look at it real quick and kind of let you know what I'm doing. So I finally got the other piece in, got it tacked in place, and then now I'm going back and try to finish up all this. So you see I got some gaps and stuff I got to close in on both sides, which is now going to require me to get underneath the car, and I got some overlapping metal I've got to bend either to each other or cut some of the excess back. I could have sat there and traced everything out and just weld it together, grind it down, make it look seamless, but I'm not putting any type of crossbar in this thing going up around the trans tunnel. So the floor pans we got for the Studebaker are double thick in areas to help support everything that's needed. So I wanted to kind of do the overlap, just kind of make it a little bit more sturdy. So let me crawl underneath here and assess what I need to do, and we'll kind of go from there. So we're underneath the car now, and you can see where I got some overlapping going on. All this stuff needs to get trimmed up on both sides. Just get it cleaned up, get it looking nice. So let me get in here and start cutting, manipulating, and tacking, and let's move forward. All right, so I'm slowly bending the metal around, and then I'm gonna come back, do some relief cuts, bring that in some more. Right now I'm just trying to get some more spot welding done, getting the self tappers out. So just kind of working back and forth right now. All right, back up top here, starting to fill some gaps in on each side. So just slowly just kind of close everything up, bring it back in. It's kind of like do a little bit on top, underneath, bang it back up a little bit, tighten up the gap. Like I said, getting all the self tappers out, going back and filling the holes in. Still got some gaps here I got to take care of. Start filling all these little holes. Like I started here and here. Got these holes plugged up, so I'm going to clean them up a little bit, smooth them out. All right, got some seam seal on now. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. And then do a little cleanup, put some paint on it. All right, got the first coat of paint on. Gonna let that dry out. and then get on the other side, get the rest of all that stuff done, and do the same on that side. Then I'll come back with a second coat to do all of it. These holes here I'm not worried about. I'm gonna put some plugs in there, kind of like what I did there and there. So for right now, that's gonna be it. And get back on it tomorrow, get the other side of it done. Do the same thing I did on this side. Eventually there is gonna be some type of boom mat in here. And just kind of help with the sound a little bit, because this is gonna be on the street as well. But a little at a time, guys. Got quite a bit done. And keep on stroking with it. Other than that, y'all have a good one, a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.